Welcome to Startup with Breakthrough, and today I'm going to be sharing all the juice with you. So I know you have heard that once you start your business, everything will start going smoothly. In short, I've been hearing people say, I want to start my business, buy a new car, buy a new house, get married, travel. Hello. Now, let me tell you something. That is a fantastic lie. In short, running a business can actually make you go broke. Nobody tells you that, but here I'm going to share the realities with you, and I'm going to tell you how you can successfully set up your business for profit, for sustainable profit. Now, in this series, I'm going to be sharing different ways. I'm going to break down everything for you, everything you need to know before you start your business, and how to go about starting your business. By the end of this video, you will stand and ask yourself, do I want to start this business or not? And this will help you make better decisions. You ask, who is this babe? Who is this fine chick that wants to give us a story about starting business? After all, there are plenty business coaches on Instagram, LinkedIn. My sister, I am a different person. In short, I decide not to even attach coach anywhere to my name. But my biggest goal is to be able to tell people the realistic truth about starting your business. In short, I started business while I was still in uni, right? And I've been able to start 8 businesses. Guess what? I am only successfully running 3 at the moment. And one of my businesses, I've gone ahead to get several grants for the business. I've also gotten investment for over $30,000 for that particular business, a financial education platform for teenagers. I also run the Thrift business, and then recently I launched my new baby, the Clutter Marketplace for African women. So if there's someone that is going to tell you the truth about running business, it's me. I run several successful businesses. I've been able to attend business classes, business program. I've had a mini MBA at Unilag under the Unicom program. I've had business classes at EDC under the Lagos Business School, several accelerators, and with expo businesses, I'm being able to attend very intense business classes. What I'm going to do in this video is to be able to show you what the light is, from theory, from classroom, and then add up practicals from my experience. By the end of this video, you're going to get clarity as to how to start your business. You're going to get clarity as to whether the business you want to start is profitable or not. You're also going to get clarity if running business is for you, because really, running businesses is not for everyone. So maybe your money is somewhere, maybe your life is going to change if you do something else, because people misunderstand the realities of being a business owner, especially a business owner in Nigeria. So let's get into it. You're going to have different episodes, so make sure you watch all of this video. They are for free, really. You don't have to pay anything to learn the truth. So make sure you watch each of these videos one by one. Don't miss any, because each video is like a foundation, and we're going to build and build and build and build. Don't forget again, my name is Startup with Breakthrough, and welcome to Are You Ready to Start Your Business in 2022?